case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1996, the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit heard the case of Natural Resources Defense Council v. California Department of Transportation, a lawsuit involving the Clean Water Act and state officials' potential liability for violations. Citizens sued the California Department of Transportation and its director for violating the federal law, which led to a complex legal battle involving the 11th Amendment and the ex parte Young exception. The 11th Amendment protects states from being sued in federal court, but the ex parte Young exception allows citizens to sue individual state officials who violate federal law. Initially, the lower court dismissed claims against the department and its director for past violations, but allowed the case to proceed against the director for future compliance with clean water regulations through prospective injunctive relief. After a trial, the director was found guilty of Clean Water Act violations and ordered to comply with the permit regulations in the future. The main issue on appeal was whether a California state official, in this case the director of the Department of Transportation, could be sued for violations of the Clean Water Act. Ultimately, the Court of Appeals affirmed that state officials can be sued in federal court for such violations, despite state immunity under the 11th Amendment. The court reasoned that Congress had implicitly authorized such lawsuits under the ex parte Young exception, allowing citizens to enforce water pollution standards and seek injunctive relief against state officials who failed to comply with federal law. This decision upheld the importance of public enforcement of environmental regulations and held state officials accountable for upholding federal standards.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.